You can create an event on orgsync by logging on to orgsync.depaul.edu. It will ask you for your Campus Connect authentication, so enter in your user ID and your password. Click to log in and it will bring you right to the orgsync homepage. From there, you can take a look at upcoming community events that are already in existence, take a look at the DePaul feed to learn more, or to create your own event, go to Organizations and select the organization for which you are creating an event. It will lead you into that organizational portal where you can click on Events, click to create an event, and then start entering the details for your organization event. Enter the name. You can leave the category as general, update a picture, add if it's a one-time or repeating event, and then you can select the date and time for when your event will start and end. Or if it's an all-day event, you can click that box there. Enter something such as the Lincoln Park Student Center 120 for the location of your event, and then give a brief description about what attendees can expect when they arrive at your event. You'll want to update how people can RSVP and who can see who has RSVP'd, and it's very important that you do the following. Check the box to share on the organizations and departments calendar. That will allow us to approve your event to add it to the community calendar. You'll also want to check the box that makes it be public, and that will make it visible to everyone and will allow your campus event to be more widely shared. Click to create your event and you'll see the event that you've just created. There's a couple different options. You can share through a QR code that you can add on to a poster or a different type of marketing material. You can share onto your Facebook page where people can RSVP right from your Facebook group. You can also share to your Twitter account, and the great thing about this is you can add or remove anything that you'd like from the tweet or add something else that is more important that you'd like to include in your 140 characters. Sign in and tweet, and you can do it that way. Or if you'd like to share in a different way, you can copy and paste the link and enter it into any format. You can enter that in an email, you can enter that in an orgsync message, whatever you find to be best. Once you've created that event, it will come to us, and we can see that request pending in the event section. We'll go down and we will click on this, and we'll be able to take a look at your event and make sure that it's appropriate and ready to be posted to the organization and department's calendar. We'll make sure that your renewal status of your portal is good. We'll make sure that the date and time in which you submitted this event is at least 72 hours before the start of the event. Once everything is checked out and good to go, we will then publish it to the umbrella calendar. We'll determine which type of event this is, so since this is an Office of Student Involvement event, we will select that category. That will determine the color coding of the event and how it will appear on the community calendar. Once we submit that, it will be available on your community calendar. And since you have created that as a public event, it will also show up in the localist events calendar through DePaul's website. If you have any other questions as far as how you can add advanced assessment forms or different pre-registration forms, please contact a Student Involvement Ambassador at studentorgs@depaul.edu.